Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of DIY. So to start off, I have these fabrics that is supposed to be hung from Amazon. They come in a 4-pack, and today I'm going to DIY them to put them in the frame. I don't have to go out there and buy something new, because you don't have to buy something new all the time to decorate. Sometimes you have to shop in your house. So here I'm going to cut one of these. I'm going to show you how I do it, the size I want. It's your choice. So choose the shape you want or the size. It's going to depend on your frame. So this is the frame I'm using, one of the frames I'm using. I already cut the fabric. I'm going to measure it to see if it's going to fit. And if it doesn't, then I'll take some off. So here, the outcome. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. So cute. Brand new. All I did is cut the fabric and put it in a frame. I already have these stuff. So again, you have to shop your house before you think about going out there to buy something. Yeah, so came out good. Right, so I'm gonna use this to decorate today. And here, this wooden is a wooden material. They also come in a 4-pack. I got them from Amazon also. This is the Eid Mubarak sign. I'm just gonna put that to the side for now, because I'll use that Eid when Eid comes. And the Ramadan Kareem and this sign wooden. So it's pretty easy to put it together. And place it on top of a book or just by itself. And this 99 signs of names of Allah, I got it from a local boutique. You can hang it, or you can just decide to sit it down by itself, however you want to do it. This is the only new item I really got. All the other items I already have them. Okay. Style my console table. I'm first bringing in this large frame, and Alhamdulillah is a print from Etsy. Next is my DIY Ramadan Kareem sign. On this side is my favorite lamp. Love it. And I will then bring in this tall vase and this beautiful lavender stems, because it's spring, so I need some color. And I have 5 stems in this vase, and of course I'm going to spread them around to make them real, to give them some movement, make them real. I will then add a candle and a candle sniffer, and I complete the look. I like to add water in my clear vases, make it very, very realistic when you put your stamp in it. kitchen. I really didn't need to do too much decoration in here. All the rest remain the same. I only did on this side for Ramadan. Only added few items like the DIY frames I did and design, and all the rest remain the same.